Welcome everybody to the Untamed 2.0 channel. You're tuned in to the unboxing for more parts and things that are going to be put together today. And hopefully everybody gets to enjoy what we're doing. Stay tuned.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away.
So jumping right into it, we're going to start off with item number one. Saved you guys some of the trouble because I ended up cutting everything open ahead of time, so we didn't have to do the whole cutting, but might still have some. So obviously, you know, everybody needs their chargers for their phones. Got the real chargers. Part number one is going to be the LED lights color change. I have a bunch of LED lights inside the car, but I'm going to be doing different styles in different areas, so that's something for everybody to stay tuned with. We're also going to be having part of the build to go with. And thank you, I cut everything open and I did, but let's see. Jumping into the other shit. I'll be into the office part. So we have our rear diffuser. Three-piece rear diffuser. Great quality. The reason I went with a three-piece, one is just a different style. Everybody's not really running three pieces. Most people are running solid piece. And two, it's more for cosmetics right now, so we get more into the motor build. But this is just the beginning of a wonderful time, as I would say. But it goes together like a puzzle. Push them all together, and once you get them all together, it's one part. But they drop in, and there we go. So you can run dual or you can run three-piece, which I think looks pretty cool. Give you a kind of a reference of what they expect when they use Zilla. To take this and slide this. Now, I know you guys know I'm in the car audio a lot, and all I do is a lot of car audio builds and fun stuff with that. So, can't have good quality car audio without sound venting. You know, it's more than just the speakers, it's more than, you know, a lot of the stuff being, you know, where people will always say, oh, it's your subs, your door speakers, your amplifier. Yeah, but on top of that, making sure the car sounds good too on the inside, so it gets rid of road noise. Pick a lot of this stuff up off Amazon, and this roll right here should get a whole entire car done. Pretty good quality stuff. Like, perfect example, I know this is kind of short, I'll do more of a description of everything once we have a chance, but this is supposed to go lined up on doors, floor matting, and like underneath all the carpet or whatever you want to put it, and roof lining, and get rid of a lot of that vibration that your car naturally has. So, then, helps out a lot. This cannot wait to install because it's going to help out a lot. D-Box. Don't get too excited, it's nothing too hefty. But it means worry about the trash later. So here, I don't know if you guys can tell inside the wrapper, but wide body fender flares. It's going to be pretty cool, especially for what's going inside the wheel well, which that's also part of the unboxing. I just set those out of the boxes because unboxing the special parts is a little bit more fender flares. Don't know which car I actually want to put them on yet. If I want to put them on Zilla, if I want to put them on Night Fury. There's a lot of stuff to just throw on one car. Now, been waiting for going on about, I want to say, a week and a half for everything to get here. But it's not bad for stuff that came from very far places like Texas and, you know, some of them from out of the country. So, hey, you take a week and a half, I'm mad at you. But this is my multi-piece. Actually looks pretty good. Once I get it out of the box. This is my multi-piece side skirt. Universal for multiple cars, but sits underneath your car, well, and pretty much the car sits up here. Kind of give it a little bit more of a cleaner body line and changes up the aero look to it. But overall, this thing is going to look clean. This is for the Outlander for sure. Pretty long piece, so putting it together, it'll pretty much cover the whole side of the car. And that I'll show you guys about installing. I have separate videos for installing all the parts. And if you guys want, I can do a collab video of, you know, the full putting everything together. And like, you know, kind of a time lapse thing. But that's for that thing. Like I said, I'm in the car audio. Trying something a little bit different. It's gonna be like, you know, $500 pleasure build. So get what you can for $500. And this is in the car audio world. I don't know if you guys knew, but we see the SKAR. It's a very good name brand company. Star Audio is a company that came from Sundown, and it's kind of like a third-party company. They work with Sundown, and pretty much for your average consumers. Gotta love it. Double box, a triple box, right? Good packaging. So, these aren't really in your expensive category of speakers. Got these ones for $100 together as a pair. Definitely be careful with this section of setting into it, because everyone knows they have protection on the inside, which thankfully they do. But let's see. Got myself a Star Audio sticker. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll try to let it focus in on that. Manual, trash. If you know about Star Audio, you shouldn't be manual, but yeah, it's good to know about stuff. And overall speaker. Now, talk about good quality for a budget. Now, this isn't one of your most expensive speakers. Overall, I don't know many people that understand car audio, but your subwoofer is what creates your bass, a lot of your big booming that everybody likes. This one for pretty much $50 a sub. I have two of them. $50 a sub, not bad at all. Very, very great quality. Comes with push terminals, 10 speeds, you know. Little decent sized magnet for $50. You go to buy something from Walmart, it's not going to be of this quality. Overall, the surround, pretty good quality. I like it. It's going to be really crispy. And I forgot to put those with the frame. So yeah, overall, pretty cool. But like I said, there's two subs. Probably want to rebuild a box for those, because obviously they're going to need a home. And if you know anything about car audio, you don't want to put, you know, small speakers in a big box. Now, depending on the box, yes, it varies, and type of speakers and stuff you're putting them in, but size matters, not so much the motors and everything else you're putting them in. So stay tuned for that though. And one of the things I wanted to really bring to everybody that I am working on, so overall game plan for this car is going to be a wide body, full build, engine build, suspension, from top to bottom rebuild of a daily car that you can go to the store, well, dealership, buy off the lot, and everybody goes for the Me Too cars, as I call them. I'm looking for something that's more so different from everybody else. I'm not trying to go in a popularity group with most of the other car companies that have their performance model cars. I'd rather take a baseline model car and build this thing called a sleeper, but also a show car that's day-to-day use family car. So you can use it for multiple things. I'm using it for car audio, eventually going to add into track racing and a whole bunch of other stuff. Slowly but surely I'm trying to get into doing the big deal car shows like Geneva Car Convention, just some pretty big ones out of the state, travel a little bit. Hopefully you guys can travel with me. But since I said I was going to upgrade the body, and I'm still going to do a tear down of break my wheels down, polish them up, but I'm what could be better, something I want something a little bit bigger, something a little wider, a little bit better with grip, I have a better tire change. So now these wide touch puppies right here are your typical, Hellcat style rim that 20-inch by 9.5, something that can still fit the wheels, but also got a nice amount of grip for the tires. Actually, I think these ones are 10 and a half, not the 9.5. So the 9.5s are going on my other car, but those are not here yet. Waiting to purchase those. But these wheels overall, pretty good quality. As you can see, still going with like the dark style colors because my main theme for this car is going to be black, gunmetal gray, and possibly a little bit of chrome, or not even chrome, I'll probably say gold. I got a little rough estimate of what I'm trying to go with, but not a finished product yet. But stay tuned for it. I'll probably have a rendering to get done and show you guys that on video. But overall, I'll be doing a product review on all of this stuff so you guys can understand, like, hey, was it worth the buy? Where did I get it? The product links will be in the description for each item when I do post them up. And two, it's going to be more so, a lot of the stuff I get for the car, there's going to be more so universal, not just buy it for the car as a one-off, or some stuff eventually I'm going to get one-off things and get some of the cool personal quality stuff where it's like, I can personalize it a lot more to myself. But right now I have a car that doesn't even have any aftermarket parts, maybe tail light for it right now. But hey, it's a Frankenstein car. Live, you learn, you love it. But I want to say thank everybody for tuning in today, and stay tuned for a review of each and every one of these products. And thanks for tuning in to Untamed LiQWYD 2.0. Chaotic out.